Oh, she's lifting her arms up.
Downward facing dog.
You see that? She's picking her arms up. Yeah. Oh man, it's gonna happen anytime. Oh. So close. Hey, hi now, baby.
Come get the camera. Yeah, you're doing a good job. Yeah, you can go. Oh. You can do it! Yay! Up, 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 up.
So your mom bring down the fence. Make sure we sweep this room of all the stuff in the corners. You're gonna want to be able to leave her. Not just inside her crib.
Usually she tries to head out towards the...
You going 360? Looks like it. Look at that.